Hello guys,
Hey.
my name is Radu and today with my gorgeous wife Miruna we will react to Conquer's Device new single, The Ocean Between Us. It's an all female metalcore band actually.
Nice.
I don't think you ever heard something from them.
No.
I'll show her after this video because they are really good. Their last
Nice.
album was crazy. I don't know why, but they should have exploded with that album, but they didn't. So
That's fine. Maybe.
yeah, people
Next year.
need to pay more attention to them.
Let's see.
This is the screamer. This is the clean vocalist.
Nice. Ooh.
Can't see the truth. Would I stop breathing if I'm without you? Like a cigarette, filling our lungs. I know we should quit, but I can't get enough. Hands both tied and over chains. Worlds apart, we're exactly the same. You took the air from my lungs, and I won't survive.
They sound exactly the same. Insane.
It's really nice. I really like this.
I tried to cut it off, you said we'll figure it out. Your words are a drug, knock me right to the ground. How can I go on when you just rolled the dice? The way that you move, it could end both our lives. If we're both going down, take my hand, we're gonna jump. Ooh. 'Cause there's oceans between us, but that's not enough. You took the air from my lungs, and I won't survive. You look at me in that way, I'll drown in your eyes. 'Cause I know, you know, I know, you
I wonder if they'll have screams in this.
I don't think it's the kind of song to have screams in, but we'll see. Ooh. Very nice.
I had a dream.
Yeah, there's no.
The oceans divide.
No screams in this one.
I could watch you for a lifetime.
Solid.
Very nice. Very,
Let
very
me
nice.
show you one of my favorite from them. This 10 years ago.
10 years ago.
Yes.
Oh, wow. I love the female representation. You love it. Very nice. They're really good.
This one had the 2000 metalcore style. That's why I love them.
Yeah.
Yeah, this album was crazy. You have to listen to this album.
You can't take away part of me, my dreams, your voice, meaningless. I'm what you'll never be. But you know what I'm made of, figment of a dream. You said you bring to my knees. Yes, I think in the cloud.
They need to bring this sound back because this was it.
Very, very, very nice.
Yeah,
Nice.
they need to bring this sound back.
Yeah, well, there's time
The
for
new
that.
sound is not that bad, but
Yeah, sounds good.
yeah. So this was our reaction to Conquer Device's new single, An Ocean Between Us. And if you want to see more reaction videos like this, just hit the subscribe button down below, down there. Follow us and wait for more videos like this. Cheers!